Hi guys, I hope you're doing fine. I'm doing fine over here. Welcome to Verified Soul and to today's video. We are remaining with only 9 days. 9 days to the DV Lottery 2025 results. And here with me are the 9 days to DV Lottery results concerns. The first one is the DV results. The second one is how to access the results. The third one is the selected or not selected outcome. And then finally, the fourth one is the timeline. What after the DV results? Wait until you watch to the last because there are some important things that I am going to discuss in this video. Now, without wasting any time, let us begin the DV results. And the concern here is about the selection process and the worries around getting selected. First of all, selection is done randomly. That one you should be knowing. It does not give anyone an upper advantage over the other one. All of those who applied, they are treated equally so long as you entered the lottery. And one thing to know before I proceed is that regardless of the mistakes that you did, the typos, the wrong information about the address, you name them, regardless of all those errors, you can still get selected. And the selection process, from the few information that we have, is that it happens in two stages. The first stage is completely randomized by a computer program. All the entries are put in a computer program and randomly selects the winners. And then the second stage, all the selectees are subjected to scrutiny, and specifically so on the photo. The photo requirements are checked. All those that will not have placed the correct photo will be knocked off the selection. And that place where that selection has been knocked off will remain vacant, called a hole, because no selectee will be added there. At least that's how it is done, as from the little information that we have. Now, when the results day come, that is next Saturday, but 1, you are supposed to visit this website here, dvprogram.state.gov, and then you'll see this page. This is where you'll check for your results by clicking check status. The only website to check for your results, nowhere else. And when checking the results, expect two outcomes. Put that in your mind. There will be two outcomes, two possible outcomes for you. Either you get selected, and if you get selected, this is the message that you will get. You have been randomly selected for further processing in the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program for the fiscal year 2025, and the interviews will begin October 1st, 2024 to September 30th, 2025. Selection does not guarantee that you will receive a visa because the number of applicants selected is greater than the number of visas available. That is the kind of the message that you will receive if you get selected. And this means that you have been given an opportunity among a pool of selectees to apply for the diversity visa. And therefore, the next step would be to take that opportunity and apply for the visa by filling the DS-260 form. And remember, getting selected is not visa guaranteed. You might get a visa or not. That depends on many factors that I've been discussing all along in this channel. The second possibility is that, based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the Electronics Diversity Visa Program at this time. Please verify that you have entered all the information correctly. You may recheck the entry status by clicking on the ESC homepage link below, this one here. This is the second possibility. If you're not successful, this is the message that you will get. And this simply means that at this time in this DV lottery, you were not successfully selected. And therefore, you are supposed to wait for the next DV program and make an entry. It does not mean that you cannot get selected anymore. You just wait and try in the next DV program. And I will do a video about you that were not selected. Now, let's come to the final topic of the day. What is the timeline? What after the DV lottery results? After the DV lottery results, if you were not selected, you need to wait for the next DV program and apply. But if you were selected, then this lies ahead of you. The following step would be to fill the Form DS-260 in application to the diversity visa and submit. And then you will wait until the 1st of October this year. Only then will the very first interviews for those low case numbers begin. From the time you win up until the 1st of October, nothing for the DV 2025 will happen. But you need to take an advantage of that time break, that you now gather the necessary documents, anything that is needed, plus the money. And then the interviews will run from the 1st of October 2024 and through to September 30th, 2025, when the program will end. So that is the basic timeline. And note that depending on your case number, your interview can be scheduled anytime within that time period, October 1st, 2024 to September 30th, 2025. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you got something. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share and also like the video in your numbers. This favors the algorithms. And let's meet in the next video.